What if an AI could beat the crypto market by only trading exchange tokens? I was curious, so I decided to put it to the test. I set up a trading bot, gave it a starting capital, and programmed it with one simple rule: only invest in the native tokens of major exchanges. Specifically, Binance's BNB MEXC's MEXC Token and CoinEx's CEYVs. Because exchange tokens often reflect the health and growth of the platforms themselves. As more users join and trade, the demand for these tokens can increase. It's like betting on the house, but in the crypto world. So here's the setup. I deposited my funds, connected the AI to my exchange accounts via API, and defined the strategy. The AI's job was to analyze market sentiment, trading volume, and key technical indicators for BNB, MEXC, and CET. It would then execute trades automatically, aiming to buy during dips and sell during peaks. The goal wasn't just to hold, but to actively trade and compound the gains. I was both excited and a little nervous to let an algorithm take full control of my investment. This is pure data-driven decision-making with no human emotion involved. Over the next few weeks, I let the AI do its thing, checking in periodically to monitor its performance. The initial results were fascinating. The bot was making dozens of small trades every day. It capitalized on minor price fluctuations that a human trader, myself included, would likely miss or ignore. For example, it would buy a small amount of BNB when the price dipped just 1% or 2%, then sell it a few hours later for a small profit. These tiny gains, when compounded, started to add up surprisingly quickly. It was a strategy of 1,000 small cuts rather than one big knockout punch. Let's look at the data. On the screen, you can see the performance chart for the portfolio. The green line represents our AI's performance, while the other lines show the individual performance of holding BNB, MEXC, and CET. As you can see, there were periods of drawdown, which is totally normal in crypto, but the AI was programmed to manage risk. It used stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on any single trade. What's really impressive is how it navigated the volatility. When one token was down, it would often reallocate capital to another that was showing more strength, effectively balancing the portfolio. One of the key advantages of focusing on exchange tokens became very clear. These tokens often have utility within their ecosystems, like reduced trading fees or participation in new token launches. This creates a baseline level of demand. The AI seemed to pick up on news and announcements related to the exchanges, often making moves just before a spike in volume. For instance, when MEXC announced a new Launchpad event, the AI increased its position in MEXC, anticipating the increased demand from users wanting to participate. It's this kind of analysis, done in milliseconds, that gives AI a real edge. Now, for the moment of truth. After running the experiment, what were the final results? The AI-powered portfolio showed a significant gain, outperforming a simple buy-and-hold strategy for each of the individual tokens. The strategy of active trading and diversification across these three exchange tokens proved to be highly effective. The key takeaway here is not that this is a guaranteed money-making machine, but that a disciplined, data-driven approach can yield powerful results. The AI removed all emotion, fear, and greed from the equation, executing the strategy flawlessly. This experiment has been a real eye-opener for me. It shows the potential of combining a smart strategy, like focusing on utility-rich exchange tokens, with the power of artificial intelligence. It's a glimpse into the future of trading. Of course, every investment carries risk, and you should always do your own research. But if you're re-inspired to start your own crypto journey and want to trade on these world-class platforms, I've got something for you. You can enter with my referral links on Binance, CoinEx, and MEXC by using them. You'll not only support the channel, but also maximize your profits and commissions through special bonuses. The links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.